Means I stop this one here. All right. Press the measure button. All right. And let's see what we want to measure. We want to measure channel 1. So this is channel 1. And make sure you measure the correct channel, because you got two channels. You measure the wrong channel, all right, you may not get the right result. This particular one is channel 1. The next time that you're measuring could be channel 2. Select the right one. And one of the most important thing I want to measure is not the peak to peak, but actually the period of repetition. So the period of repetition would be somewhere out here. There's a question mark. It actually doesn't know what to do the measurement. I want to add something to it. Channel 1, add the period of measurement, mean, RMS, cycle. That's it, period, done. Then I finish off, alright. And please take a look. There's a question mark. That means that it cannot find out where is the measurement. Automatic measurement is very difficult sometimes. So it's easier if I were to do a manual measurement, and that is press cursor. And of course, make sure you are on channel 1, because we are only at channel 1. And we wanted to measure, alright, voltage. No, we actually wanted to measure time. Alright, we want to measure time, the period of repetition. And when you got the two things there, you want to decide you're on A. So this thing, you move to the easiest way is actually measure from a repetitive peak, switch over to B, and the second repetitive peak is not so clear, but the third one is clearer. It depends on whether you are looking at the voltage peak or you're looking at the gap. Sometimes I look at the gap, sometimes I look at the peaks. If you wanted to zoom in some more, you can actually increase the time scale. So I change the time scale so that I can zoom in some more. Go back and oops, I moved two of them at the same time. I should be looking at B. Okay, here is the sample of my heart rate, the duration, and I'm getting, alright, the delta X 0.586 seconds. Now, the difference in scientific measurement, alright, and practical measurement is that the usage, alright, is in beats per minute. So if your heart rate is beating at a repetitive period of 0.568, alright, seconds per beat. So what is the number of beats per minute that you are getting? Can someone do a quick mathematical conversion from your number of repetition, how many seconds to repeat one period, alright, to say beats per minute? In 1 minute, how many of this do you get? 1 minute got 60 seconds, right? So how many beats will you get in 60 seconds? I think you can switch it off now.